Chinese vessels continue to swarm near Ayungin Shoal, where the BRP Sierra Madre remains grounded. According to the Philippine Navy, at least 20 maritime militia ships and 4 China Coast Guard vessels are closely monitoring the area, posing a direct challenge to the country's sovereignty. Our Patrick De Jesus tells us more.
There is still the presence of Chinese ships near Ayungin Shoal, where the BRP Sierra Madre is located. According to the Philippine Navy, 20 Chinese maritime militia vessels and 4 China Coast Guard ships were monitored around Ayungin. Just 2 weeks ago, China conducted drills in the area, deploying armed reefs and fast boats, while Filipino troops prevented China Coast Guard personnel from approaching BRP Sierra Madre. Since that incident, no similar activity has been carried out again. The Philippine Navy asserted that the Philippines is not the one provoking trouble in the West Philippine Sea, and that its actions are meant to defend the country's rights and sovereignty.
We have been always calling out the other side to stop their coercive and aggressive actions. Kasi pag may mangyari nito, we will get sucked in. Now, halimbawa may nangyari, we have appropriate contingencies in place.
Meanwhile, BRP Antonio Luna returned to the Philippines after sustaining damage during a maritime training activity in Malaysia last August 27. The Philippine Navy is still assessing the frigate, but the damage to its freeboard area was reportedly only superficial.
I would say that it did not impede the operational performance of the ship sapagkat nakita naman natin na nakauwi naman siya. There are what we call levels of repair. Some are conducted by the ship's crew, others by the facilities of the Navy on land.
One of the main points of assessment is whether the weapon system of BRP Antonio Luna was affected.
Yun pa ang inaalam sa ating assessment team. And hindi pa naman tapos kasi it will be a thorough assessment to be conducted.
Patrick De Jesus from the National TV for a New and Better Philippines.